Hello and welcome back to another ComputerSluggish tutorial. Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at adding a new user on Windows Server 2008 and adding a new organisational unit. So first you need to click on Start and go to Administrative Tools. Then we're going to go to Active Directory Users and Computers. So once you're on this screen, you now need to right click on your domain and go on to New. Then we're going to go on to Organisational Unit. Okay, so this is very important now, so we need to name what we want to call this unit. So we could call it, I don't know, anything really. I'm just going to call it S4 because I've got my phone in front of me. If you keep protect container from accidental deletion, you won't be able to delete it accidentally. So for example, if I cancel that and then we got our tester2 here, if I right click and go delete, there we go, we can't delete it. Okay, so be aware if you do add that option, then you're not going to, well, you will be able to delete it, but obviously not accidental there. So it's very handy having that checked. So let's just go S4 and we're going to go OK. So there's our little unit here. So we're now going to right click and go on to New, then we're going to go on to User. Okay, and this bit is pretty straightforward. So we need to put in a first name. So I'm going to go with Computer. And then last name Sluggish. Okay, so name's ComputerSluggish. And then we need to choose the user logon name. So that's just going to be ComputerSluggish. And there we go. So we now need to go on to next and we need to type in a password. So you do need to type in a slightly good password, something a little bit complex, otherwise it won't work. But the user can obviously change it on their next logon. Okay, and you can also have the account disabled if you want. Let's just tick that for a minute and then I'll show you how to undisable the account. So also, yeah, you've got password never expires and user cannot change the password, so they've got to come to yourself, either send you a message or come to you in person to get their password changed. So we're going to go next now and we're going to go finish. Okay, so here's our user, obviously in unit S4. So as you can see, if we just go through files there, and yeah, there it is. So we're now going to right click and go on to properties. And obviously here's all the information about the user. You've got lots of tabs here so you can add all sorts of stuff. Okay, so pretty awesome. Okay, and that is how you add a user to Windows Server 2008 and also add a organisational unit. Also, if you right click, I forgot about this bit, and go enable account, there we go. Account has been enabled, and as you can see, the little arrow there's gone now. So if I go disabled, there you go, you can see ComputerSluggish. He will not be able to go onto his user account anymore. Okay, and enable, there we go. We can reset the password. We can do absolutely anything. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Windows Server 2008. If you did, hit that like button below and subscribe for more Windows Server 2008 tutorials.